How to use Google Drive to back up your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your entire Android phone using Google Drive. This will save your contacts, app data, settings, photos, and more. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down, and tap on Accounts and Backup. Once in it, here are all the backup modules that are available in your current device. But we want to back up with the help of Google Drive. So tap on Backup Data under the Google Drive. Now tap Backup Now. Make sure Backup by Google One is turned on. This will automatically back up your apps, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS messages. Next, tap Backup Now to start a manual backup immediately. And that's it. Your phone is now safely backed up with Google Drive. That's how you can easily use Google Drive to back up your phone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tips, and drop a comment if you want a video on how to restore everything. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.